Say hello!
Hi, it's the 30th of July and we're at St George and the Dragon in Wargrave. Again. And we're going to paddle towards St Patrick's Stream like we did before. But this time we're taking all our camping gear and we're going to find our little island again and we're going to camp there.
Very excited. We're going to camp in the island. We have everything with us. Our tents.
Me.
Our chairs. Our Sophie.
Yeah, we've got a lot of stuff, so we'll show you later because we're not quite sure how it's going to pan out, putting everything on the boards. But yeah, hopefully we can take everything because we've been very
we've been going to be quite luxurious. You asked me for my camping experience. This is like top notch. This counts as glamping.
That's because I'm with you. I don't summit.
All right, see you in a bit. Ben is going to be a big boy and he's going to do it all by himself.
Wow.
There you go.
Okay, so we've set up and we're on our boards. We haven't tried standing yet. Has anyone tried standing?
No. Go on then, I try it.
Oh, Issa will try it.
One second.
For the camera. It's more wobbly, isn't it?
That's fine. It's fine. It's good.
Right, I'm going to get mine on and then we'll get going. Drive to the little portage point from last time. Watch their other video. Plug, plug, plug. Easy.
Easy.
It's easy. I don't know what he's talking about.
So we've got the board across the horrible bit and hopefully the next bit of carrying we'll do is on our island where we're going to camp. Hopefully just all to ourselves, that we'll see. So yeah. Hey, back on the board. Still with us, just about. And we're off. It's filming.
It's filming. So we tried to arrive to the shore that we normally arrive to and there is a boat just blocking the whole beach there. So we went around following Ben's direction and found a different access point. And now we have found our amazing space for the night. Look at that. Our own little private forest. And this will be our terrace. We'll put here our chairs. Wait to see the magic.
Oh no, here we go.
Vlog for us.
It's going to be a long bit. Oh, I'm vlogging. Hi.
I'm going to forget almost immediately.
Okay, we're on the island and I've probably already told you all this because I can't remember what I've done. What I've done yet.
We just arrived at the island. We finally set up camp over there. I don't know if you can see it. And Ben's about to give us a little treat.
There we go. Thank you, Sophie.
Woo!
Oh, I can go back in there. Oh, we're still vlogging. Here we go. Cheers.
Oh my goodness. Why is that gone?
Ready?
No, 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 no!
That'll be so good on the GoPro.
No, we're settled down now and we're going to have a couple of drinks and start preparing dinner.
So Issa's got a fire going It's looking pretty good. Sophie's making gin and tonics.
The essentials.
We've got our marshmallows for s'mores later with a cookie, jelly babies. Got our little fire lighters, and this is like where we landed and our boards, and then I'll take you to the tents. So look down here, and then got Sophie's tent, my tent, Issa's tent. There's our little rooms. Back to where we're going to be chilling out this evening. We've got quite a cool little view as well. I'll just show you from behind. Look at that. That's what we're going to be looking at tonight. That and a big steak. Big old steak dinner.
So the fire was getting a little bit smoky and we needed a tool to give it some air. So with our lovely tonic cardboard box, I made a fan. Very good.
So we just cooked dinner and it's good.
Really good.
It's taken a while, but it's...
We have broccoli sticks, asparagus and steak. You show your plate.
And mushroom.
And mushroom.
Oh, a
Mushroom,
My
steak,
mushroom is underneath.
broccoli, asparagus. Yum. Morning, and here's Issa. She's been doing some yoga and stuff. She's been up for hours.
So, oh, good morning, sunshine. Sophie is famous for being super happy in the morning once he wakes. It is 8:45. These people finally has woken up. I have been up since 7. I went for a paddle around the island. There is several other people actually camping in this island, so it's quite a famous spot. And then I went for a little swim and I done some yoga. I have had my coffee.
Wow.
Lovely morning, really enjoy myself.
We're now having bacon sandwiches, well we will be, on our paddleboards. So just grilling up some bacon for breakfast. It's an alright day, weather's not too bad. We're doing alright I think. I think we're pretty good at this lark, this camping lark. Yeah, I've got a vlogging cap, so I've clipped the GoPro to my cap so I can wear it. And we're going to go for a little morning paddle round our island.
It is now 10 AM. We have been for a little paddle and a little swim, and we're just trapped to this post and sunbathing. There is no one cloud in the sky, completely blue. So we're going to take our time and chill out before leaving our camping spot, because this feels like summer holidays. So the good thing of camping in an island far away from civilization is that you don't have to wake up early and rush. We could chill out. So it's now 11 o'clock and we're starting to tidy up our tents. If we were camping and hiking, we'll have to start tidying up like at 6 AM, the latest 7 AM. But now this is a different experience. All clear, nothing happened. No tents. We tidy up now, and I think we're going to just chill out a little bit longer by the water, listening to some music, and then we will start heading back.
We're packing up. Okay, we're leaving the island now. We've let it go to other people, which is quite sad. We're all packed up and we've been like resisting leaving for ages. But we've finally gone. We're all on our way now. Off back to the car, unfortunately. It's got to end at some point. There's the pub just ahead. And we've nearly done it. Did a night in the wild. We were all right. We just about survived. It was hard. Had a tough time. Eating steak and drinking.
Yeah, it was pretty tough going.
Lying on paddleboards in the sun. Oh, look at this dog! Oh my god! It's really far out! Ah. He's going the other way. Oh, look at his little legs! Stamina. Sophie's in. How is it? Oh my gosh! Oh no! I'll get the goggles. So it's now 2:30. Been a long day. We got a bit slow getting going, but we're back at the pub where the car was. Packed everything away. I think that's it, don't we?
Cheers!
Guys.
Some beers.
The end.
What do we have to say?
Yeah.
Remember, get outdoors and keep
moving. Oh god, it's hard work vlogging, isn't it?